Hey everybody, welcome to the channel RV'n and ATV'n, and I'm Dave. In this video, we're going to change out this faucet in our Rogue Vengeance 29KS to this faucet. Alright, so in this video, we're going to change out the bathroom faucet in our Rogue Vengeance 29KS. Now, for some reason, they put a really short faucet on here where it's basically right up against the bowl to try and wash your hands. So we're going to swap it out with something that just might work a little bit better. There's not a lot of room down here. I don't know how much footage I'll get of changing it out, but I'll definitely show you the before and after. Okay, so I mentioned it's a tight fit. So you got to get up under here and loosen up the hoses. And then switch it out. Should be a piece of cake. Should be. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and speed things up. What was really nice was no tools were required to remove or install the faucet. I was able to loosen and remove everything by hand. The old one came right out and the new one fit perfect. Same thing when it came to installing. No tools were required. Also, no plumber's tape or putty were required. The fittings work with compression. You can kind of see the black inserts. Sharon found this faucet at Lowe's for about 99 bucks and it matches perfect. I'll put a link in the description below. Alright, so here we go. See if it works. It's going to be so much nicer, so much more room. That was literally right up against there. So good deal. Alright everybody, that is the new faucet in our bathroom sink in our Rogue Vengeance 29KS. And it's going to work out a lot better. You're not busting your knuckles up against the bowl when you wash your hands. So how do we rate this faucet? We're going to go ahead and give it 2 white dogs and a bar of Sasquatch soap. So hey, I'm Dave for RV'n and ATV'n. Subscribe to our channel, give us a like, give us a share, hit that bell. We're starting to get a lot more videos on here and we appreciate it, and we'll see you on the trails. Take care.